Welcome. In front of me I have HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can connect AirPods to the smartphone. So at the first, it's very simple. You have to open the charging case, then rotate the case like that, click and hold the power button on the back of the charging case. Let's make it. When this indicator starts blinking, right now just release that key and put back the case. Don't close it. Open the Bluetooth settings on your HTC. Click to pair new device. And now just wait. As you can see, AirPods pops on the list, so we have to simply tap on them. Just like that, click pair. And as you can see, there we are. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.